most beautiful temples in nature. Wat Phra Dat Doi Suthep, Thailand. Located high in the mountains of Chiang Mai, this golden temple offers vast views of forests below. The journey up through winding mountain roads and misty forests feels like entering another world. Taong Kalat Monastery, Myanmar. Built on top of an extinct volcano, Taong Kalat is one of the most unique temples in Asia. Visitors climb more than 700 steps to reach the summit, where sacred temples overlook endless green plains. The dramatic setting makes it feel otherworldly. Wat Rongkhon Chiang Rai, Thailand. Known as the White Temple, this shimmering structure stands out among lush greenery. Its pure white color represents spiritual purity, while delicate reflections dance across the water around it. A truly artistic spiritual escape. Kyomizu-dera, Kyoto, Japan. Perched on the hillside above Kyoto, this ancient temple is surrounded by vibrant forests. In spring, cherry blossoms blanket the temple. In autumn, fiery red leaves transform the hillside, a breathtaking escape into nature and tradition. Uluwatu Temple, Bali, Indonesia. Set on the shores of Lake Baritan, this water temple looks as if it's floating. Mist rolls over the lake at dawn as mountains surround the sacred site. The blend of water, mountains, and spirituality makes it one of Bali's most serene places. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Located deep within tropical forests, Angkor Wat is the largest religious structure on Earth. Sunrise here is magical. Ancient stones glowing golden, surrounded by lush greenery and calm water. It's a reminder of how nature protects and preserves human history.